Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest gadgets the world has to offer. Today, we're exploring the top 10 coolest gadgets you can find on Amazon that are guaranteed to blow your mind. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. 10. DJI Mini Pro 3. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, starting at $669, takes the ultra-light mini-series design, adds a seriously upgraded camera, and tops it all off with forward-facing obstacle sensors, a feature missing from the basic Mini 2, $449.99. The Pro Edition snaps 48MP quad bare stills, pushes 60fps video at 4K, and supports vertical video for social media mavens. It costs nearly as much as the larger Mavic Air 2, $799, once you add a remote control, not standard on the base model. But the Mini 3 Pro largely outperforms its larger sibling, making it our new Editor's Choice Award winner for enthusiast camera drones. 9. Life 80 Plus Robot. Picking the right robot vacuum can be tricky, but the Life 80 Max claims to be a standout. Is it really the magic cleaning buddy we've all been dreaming of, or just more hype? Dive into our Life 80 Max review and find out if it's worth the buzz. During rigorous testing, the 80 Max showcased impressive debris capture rates, boasting 99% efficiency on hardwoods and a commendable 92 to 93% on carpets. With 5 diverse cleaning modes, this vacuum offers versatility, ensuring optimal cleaning regardless of the floor type or debris size. Its powerful motor delivers a robust suction force, peaking at 2,000 PA in spot cleaning mode. This strength automatically adjusts when the vacuum traverses over carpets. Say goodbye to manual controls. 8. Triple Lens. The advent of triple lens camera systems has revolutionized smartphone photography, pushing the boundaries of what users can capture with their devices. These systems typically consist of a primary lens, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens, each serving a distinct purpose to enhance the photographic experience. The primary lens is the workhorse, capturing images with clarity and detail in various lighting conditions. It excels in everyday photography, delivering sharpness and color accuracy for everything from portraits to landscapes. Meanwhile, the wide-angle lens expands the field of view, allowing users to capture more of their surroundings in a single shot. This lens is perfect for architectural photography, group shots, and capturing expansive landscapes. On the other hand, the telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer without sacrificing image quality. 7. Vadier. The Vadier one-hand keyboard is a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of ergonomic and efficient typing solutions. Designed with the aim of enhancing productivity and comfort, this compact keyboard is tailored for one-handed operation, catering to users who seek a streamlined typing experience without sacrificing functionality. Equipped with a unique layout optimized for single-handed use, the Vadier keyboard features a comprehensive set of keys strategically positioned to minimize hand movement and maximize efficiency. Its ergonomic design conforms to the natural curvature of the hand, reducing strain and fatigue during prolonged typing sessions. Whether for gaming, programming, or everyday tasks, this keyboard offers unparalleled convenience and versatility. The Vadier keyboard has a compromise on performance. 6. Rankstone Rank KC1. Rankstone attempts to solve the issues with the previous generations of e-ink phone cases by not only creating a design as thin as many standard cases, but also improving the display's aesthetic appeal with color. Unfortunately, while the Rank KC1 makes for a fine phone case, and its promise of an infinitely changeable color screen is tantalizing. 5. Poly Voyager 4310 UC. The company behind the Voyager 4300 UC reviewer here has an incredible history going back to the 1960s when they created the headsets used on the Apollo moon missions. Based primarily in San Jose and Santa Cruz, California, the Poly operation employs around 6,500 people in its 75 global offices. These days, the business still makes headsets, but it also offers business phones, video conferencing hardware, and software solutions aimed at connecting people. Under the Voyager branding, Poly offers a range of wireless headsets and headphones designed for those that use clear and effective communications as part of their daily lives. The Poly Voyager 4300 UC series headsets come in 2 flavors, a single binaural 4310 UC headset, and the stereo 4320 UC model reviewed here. They also make specific Microsoft Teams versions of these with an extra Teams function button. They come as both USB-A and USB-C Bluetooth adapters, and a Voyager Office base also allows the units to be stored and charged when not in use. The Voyager Office base can also connect the headset to an existing phone system if that's a requirement. 4. Pocket Tool 2.0. Pocket Tool 2.0 is the next iteration of a versatile and compact multi-tool designed to be your go-to solution for everyday tasks and unexpected situations. Building upon the success of its predecessor, Pocket Tool 2.0 features a host of enhancements and new functionalities, making it even more indispensable for users on the go. One of the key upgrades of Pocket Tool 2.0 is its improved durability and build quality. Constructed from high-grade stainless steel or titanium, it offers increased strength and resilience, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use and last for years to come. Additionally, the sleek and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to carry in your pocket or attach to your keychain, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it. Pocket Tool 2.0 boasts a comprehensive array of built-in tools, including screwdrivers, wrenches, bottle openers, and more, providing a solution for a wide range of tasks and emergencies. Whether you need to tighten a screw, open a bottle, or make quick repairs on the fly, Pocket Tool 2.0 has you covered. 3. Sony SRS-NS7. The Sony SRS-NS7 is a cutting-edge wireless speaker system that redefines the home audio experience, particularly for television viewing. This innovative device is designed to enhance the sound quality of your TV, creating a more immersive and cinematic atmosphere right in your living room. One of the standout features of the Sony SRS-NS7 is its unique neck speaker design. Unlike traditional speakers that sit on a shelf or mount to a wall, the SRS-NS7 is worn around the neck, delivering high-quality sound directly to the user without disturbing others nearby. This design is ideal for late-night viewing or situations where you want to enjoy immersive audio without using headphones. The SRS-NS7 utilizes Sony's advanced audio technologies to deliver clear, detailed sound with rich bass and crisp highs. It features built-in drivers that are strategically positioned to create a wide soundstage, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Additionally, the speaker is equipped with virtual surround sound processing. 2. Focus Timer. The Focus Timer is a productivity tool designed to help users manage their time more effectively and stay focused on tasks. This type of app typically employs the Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. The Pomodoro technique involves breaking work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. These intervals are known as Pomodoros. The Focus Timer app facilitates this technique by providing users with a timer that counts down the duration of each Pomodoro and alerts them when it's time to take a break. In addition to basic timer functionality, many Focus Timer apps offer features such as customizable Pomodoro lengths, the ability to track and analyze productivity sessions, and motivational tools like task lists and achievement badges. 8-bit dual charging dock. The 8-bit dual charging dock is a convenient and practical accessory designed specifically for gamers who own multiple controllers. This charging dock is compatible with various gaming controllers, including those from popular platforms like Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, and Xbox. As the name suggests, the key feature of the 8-bit dual charging dock is its ability to charge two controllers simultaneously. This is incredibly useful for households or gaming setups where multiple controllers are in use, ensuring that they are always ready for action when needed. The charging dock typically connects to a power source via a USB cable, providing a convenient and clutter-free charging solution. Many models also feature LED indicators to show the charging status of each controller, making it easy to see when they are fully charged and ready to use. And there you have it, our top 10 coolest gadgets you can find on Amazon that are sure to enhance your life in more ways than one. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.